You didn't notice, but AI has been running your life for a while now. From the apps you can't live without to the content that keeps you scrolling, you're already living in an AI-driven world. Whether it's healthcare, government, education, or business, AI is everywhere. But how did it end up controlling so much? It wasn't by accident, I'll tell you that. Let's dive into the secret forces shaping our future. Let's start with healthcare, because this is where AI is having one of the most profound impacts. Did you know that AI systems are now diagnosing conditions like pneumonia with more accuracy than human doctors? In fact, the AI tool developed by Stanford, ChexNet, was found to outperform radiologists in detecting pneumonia from chest X-rays. This is just the beginning. Hospitals like the Mayo Clinic are using AI to analyze medical data and predict heart attacks or strokes before they even happen. We're talking about a future where diseases could be caught long before symptoms show up, all thanks to AI sifting through complex medical data at lightning speed. Imagine a world where your doctor's diagnosis is just one part of the equation. AI could have already predicted your treatment plan days before your appointment. If you're curious about how this kind of AI-powered future is taking shape, check out my video, AI is revolutionizing the health sector. You'll get a deeper look at the transformative impact AI is having on medicine. Now, let's talk about government. In 2020, New York City's police department started using AI in a big way through predictive policing. This system analyzes crime data, weather patterns, and even social media to predict where crimes are likely to occur. It sounds a little like something from a sci-fi movie, but it's real. This system allows the police to anticipate where resources should be deployed before an incident even happens. But predictive policing isn't without its issues. In fact, a controversial tool used in Florida, Compass, was found to be racially biased. A 2016 investigation by ProPublica revealed that the algorithm was more likely to label black defendants as high risk, despite their criminal records being less severe than their white counterparts. This raises important questions about how much we should trust AI with the power to influence the justice system. Moving on to education, AI is reshaping the way we learn and teach. One fascinating example comes from Georgia Tech, where an AI teaching assistant named Jill Watson helped manage a large online course. The kicker: the students had no idea Jill was AI. She answered questions, facilitated discussions, and even graded assignments, all without ever needing a break. This isn't just about automating tasks. AI systems like those used by Duolingo personalize your language learning experience, adapting in real time to your progress. It's the future of education, where every lesson is tailored specifically for you. However, there's a flip side. Can AI really replace the human touch that teachers provide? Sure, AI can grade essays, but it can't understand the creativity or emotional nuances behind a student's work. Next up, the business world. AI is transforming industries, from customer service to finance. Take Amazon, for example. Their warehouses are filled with robots that work alongside humans to increase efficiency. In fact, over 50% of the work done in Amazon's fulfillment centers is now handled by robots, saving the company millions while changing the landscape of labor. These robots are capable of moving products, packing them, and even helping with inventory. Tasks that once required human labor are now fully automated. But here's the downside. As AI takes over, millions of jobs are at risk. According to a report by McKinsey, by 2030, up to 800 million jobs could be replaced by automation. For many workers, this creates a tough situation where retraining and adaptation are necessary. The key to surviving this shift: embracing new technology. The reality is, AI isn't just taking jobs, it's creating new ones too. It's the workforce of the future, and the sooner you adapt, the better. But here's where it gets tricky. AI doesn't always get things right. Let's not forget Microsoft's Tay, the chatbot that was supposed to engage with users on Twitter but turned into a racist disaster within hours. That's because Tay learned from the users and, let's just say, people took full advantage of its programming. This highlights a major flaw in AI. It's only as good as the data it's fed. If we're not careful, AI could perpetuate harmful biases, and that's something we need to be mindful of, especially when it comes to systems that are making decisions about our lives. And then there's self-driving cars. In 2018, an Uber self-driving car hit and killed a pedestrian in Arizona. The car's AI was supposed to stop for pedestrians, but it failed to recognize the woman crossing the road. This was a devastating example of how AI, despite its potential, can be unprepared for complex real-world situations. So AI is here to stay, and it's already influencing healthcare, business, law enforcement, and even education. It's reshaping our world, and while it brings great opportunities, it also poses serious risks. The real question is, how will we adapt? Will we let AI run unchecked, or will we make sure it works for us? As we dive deeper into this brave new world, remember, AI won't stop evolving, so neither should we. And hey, if you're still wondering about AI's role in the future, don't forget to watch 10 mind-controlled gadgets that are changing everything in 2025 for a sneak peek into the gadgets that will shape our lives in ways we never imagined. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more insights into how technology is shaping our future. Don't forget to leave a comment. What do you think about the rise of AI? Which sector will AI change the most in your opinion? Catch you in the next one.